So in the process of taking off my automatic transmission cooling system, the existing hard lines, obviously I got some drip, and I noticed my automatic transmission fluid is disgusting. So I went ahead, placed an order with Norm Reeves Toyota. This is the new automatic transmission filter. It goes inside. Gotta remove the pan. This is the part number if you need it. This is the gasket. You could do an FIP form in place gasket, or you can do this hard gasket. I decided to just do this one for simplicity, and this is the Toyota part number if you need that. And then I got 6 quarts of the good stuff. So let's see how this goes. All right, so draining the transmission fluid. Got it, 10mm hex. This guy right here. Inspect your bolt and your washer. I probably could replace the washer, but I should have got it when I was at the dealership. This is probably still good. I'm just gonna roll with this. So I got the transmission oil pan off. Okay, I'm gonna replace the filter. I'm gonna clean the bottom of the pan and inspect it. Put the new filter back on. Put the new gasket back on. Let's go right here. And then bolt it back up. Okay, so here's the old gasket. And I'm going to clean that surface off before I apply the new one. This appears to be in decent shape still, but I'm going to replace it anyways. The last time I had my automatic transmission fluid done, drain and filled, was at around 190,000 miles, and I'm at 240 right now, 245. So it's about, I'll call it 50,000 miles since the last service. So these right here are magnets, and that's supposed to pick up any metallic debris in your automatic. See that? I guess they just drop them around. Look at that. Look at that. I thought they were stationary. I didn't know they just drop them in there. Interesting. I got it mostly cleaned off, wiped off, cleaned the magnets off. I think I'm just gonna place them right there. I don't know if that's the best spot. All right. So now so the filter, 3 10mm bolts. 1, 2, and 3. Now this thing should just come out. Let's hold on the gasket. Oh boy. There we go. Okay, so old transmission filter, new transmission filter, part number. This is OEM, so we can see the markings on it. And this is what AMCO gave me at 190,000 miles. It does not appear to be OEM. So we're gonna get this guy in there. I have to transfer over this gasket, it looks like, just like that. I got the new transmission filter on, 3 10mm bolts, you can see them there. Now, I'm gonna finish cleaning off the edge of this pan and put the new gasket on. So the new gasket only goes on in one orientation, so I don't have a problem there. But before I put that on, I'm gonna clean these bolts off. I'm just gonna give them a quick spray and wipe down. That way, when I torque these down, I get an accurate torque value. So I wanna take off all the gunk on the threads. I cleaned them off the best I could. They're not perfect, but they're good enough. Final step, just fill it up through the dipstick port. You're gonna want to check it cold. That is what a good cold reading should look like. That is what a good cold reading should look like. You see the hot mark right there? And that's the cold mark. I don't know if you can see it. There's like, you can see right there, it says cold. But that's what a proper basic drain and fill should look like.